foto o video? Oh.
Manda una foto o video. Mi amor, si tú quieres lo que va a ir.
Oh man, this is Barranquilla. They are my friends from Venezuela. She's mad.
De Venezuela, Barranquilla, para todo el mundo, para África, para Chile.
Yeah, my friend right here. But the other friend, she's crazy. Right there.
Manda, hablando en africano y todo. Y nosotros, mi teléfono, un pollo, un reloj, ni nada.
¿Todo bien?
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over. Oh Lord, my Father.
So guys, I'm right here in the city of Barranquilla. And my friend right there is from Venezuela. He just ate his business. Él come negocio. He's selling bocadillos. Muestra bocadillos. So he's selling bocadillos, and man, he's so hungry. He decided to eat his bocadillos. Yeah. ¿Tu nombre es?
Francesco.
Saludo gente de Venezuela. Sí. So man, if you're watching from Venezuela, I have my friend, his name is Miguel. Saludos, sí. Yeah. Okay. ¿Tu nombre es? Emily. They are all selling bocadillos? Sí, bocadillos. They look so hungry, my friend. Yeah man, I think maybe I'm gonna buy them lunch after this. Yeah. I think I'm gonna buy them lunch, and I don't know man. Life is really hard for them. But let me see if I can at least make their day, you know. Yeah. You know, their eyes look weak and they look like they've never taken a shower for a while. Man, the situation is crazy, man. It's really crazy. He has only sold... ¿Cuánto tú ahora? ¿Cuánto tú ganas?
Yo gano por cada 3,000 pesos.
3,000. So he has sold only $1. 3,000 is $1. 3,000 pesos is $1. Todo día. Yeah, all day, man. Todo
Si
día.
vendo 3 cajas son $3.
Okay. So this bocadilla, for you to sell $1, you need one is 500, so you need 3,000. So actually you need to sell 6 of them for you to make that $1. 6 por $1, sí, por 3,000.
Son 12, ¿va? Y son 12 que traen una caja. Y de la caja los vendo, invierto 3 y saco 3 que son $1.
Pero ¿ese es tu negocio o es no tú? ¿Cuánto tú ganas? Antes tú pagas, ¿cuánto tú ganas? So I'm asking him how much profit he makes.
Yo me gano por todo lo que yo venda $12,000 pesos.
12,000. Ese es como $4, ¿sí? So $4 in that box if he sells everything. And the whole day he has only sold 6 of them. That is $1, man. Yeah. Life is really hard here. Barranquilla, you know. Yeah. ¿Tú tienes sus amigos en Venezuela? ¿Tú quieres saludarlos? Saluda, yo soy youtuber.
Hola mi gente. Yo soy de Barquisimeto, Lara, Estado Lara. Le mando saludos a todos mis amigos.
Ok, man. Todos los venezolanos, saludos. Okay. ¿Tú no quieres saludo, amiga, allá en Venezuela? Saluda una. ¿Tú no sabes el nombre de tu favorito amigo, amiga? Saluda.
Amigo fijo.
Okay. So I was asking her to send some greetings to her family, you know. But yeah, man. So maybe you're gonna buy them lunch. Not maybe. I'm gonna buy them lunch, and we see. Maybe, man. Life is tricky, you know.
Vamos a esperar que todos tengan.
So my friend is so happy. Look what he's doing. Okay, sí, está bien. Oh man. Okay, sí, está
Por eso
bien.
que Yule le mete. Mira, que él va a aplicar pecado. Y al revés. Ay, viejo.
Es la al revés.
Y al revés, ajá.
No.
Ajá.
Esta es. Cambia. Ahora sí.
Ay, yo los oí.
Sí.
Los oí incómodos. No te acostumbras a hacer eso.
Sí, aquí. So I bought them fish. It looks muy bien. Wow. It really looks very good. Come sin problema. Yeah. Okay. This is my friend. Yesterday he sold to me like 3 things, you know, which I didn't need to buy, but I had to buy because I'm promoting him. He's from Venezuela. Yeah. ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien.
Trabajo duro. Okay.
Mira,
Ajá.
tengo varita de selfie para la foto.
¿Dónde?
Ah,
¿Qué?
varita para la foto, selfie.
Oh, no. So he's telling me about selfie sticks. Estoy bien, amigo. Sí. Gracias. firmar como todo. Ajá. Mira.
Ahí ve cómo ves que
Toma.
está firmando.
Ok. Tú mira esto. Ajá. Si tú quieres firmar esta comida, tú firma como así. Mira. Y yo quiero hablar con mismo aquí. So guys, I'm right here. We just had lunch, and it's good to make people smile sometimes because of the situations they are in. You know, sometimes we don't choose the situations we are in, but yeah. Yeah. Come a mí. Sí. Yeah. So
No vayas para playa.
they're very happy. They're very happy to, you know. She's very happy too. But okay guys, so I'll see you in my next one. Please ensure you give the video a like to support my job. I'm right here actually. Look how it is. A very beautiful building right there. And a lot of cars passing by. I think I'll fly my drone later from here, you know. Yeah. So bye bye. Ensure give the video a like, man. Subscribe to my channel. More videos coming from. Actually, I don't know where the next videos are coming from, because tomorrow I'm traveling. Let's just Colombia, yeah, in general. But there's a beautiful church here. I wanted to see. It's really cute. See the